I just got this the other day for the van and travel camping. Not the van in general. I'm not even sure how you say it. MONGPIENS, but this is a nice waxed, I don't know if it's really canvas, but needless to say, I bet it will withstand some weather. What's inside? More spices. How cool is that? Because there was times when you just don't want to take everything in the cabinet, but want to have something easy that travels and stuff. So I found this. It has 9 glass containers. They are glass. And you put what you like to take with you on the road and everything. It does come with labels. Of course, some of the spices I have, they don't have labels for, so I make my own. This is seasoning salt, and I just use the salt label on it. I don't know if it'll pick it up or not, but there you go. So some seasoning salt. I believe that's sugar. Of course, you always want to label it, so yep, that's sugar. Get the sugar in there. What else we got? Oh yeah, you gotta have your chili powder. So, yeah, they didn't have a label for it, but I have a label maker, so I just made it, put it on there. Again, I can't stress enough to label your spices. You'll think you'll know it and you screw it up. Because you'd be like, man, that's pepper. Well, it is, because it says it on it. State the obvious, but yeah, they slide in and out nice. I got bouillon cubes, Old Bay, can't go wrong there. Umami, yeah, that goes good on stuff. Aliyah salt, I believe that's how you say it. It's from Hawaii. It's like, I think this is from, not from lava, but somewhere in there. I'd have to look it up. We also have a black one that's like charcoal. It's really good salt. And Asian, can't go on with that. They also have seals you can put in to carry if you wanted to trade some of these out to do like your oils that you want to bring with you too. So it keeps you from leaking. You can also hang it up, so it can be hung up and everything. But it's small, compact, and carries a lot. I wasn't really wanting glass because, you know, when you're camping and everything, that stuff breaks. But I do like that it's glass, if that makes sense. But they screw on nice, feels well made. I'll put a link down below. But yeah, it'd be great for, I mean, even at home, barbecuing, just grab that and head on out. So there you go. Thanks. Bye. See ya.